Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for your likes, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're a new viewer, then definitely go to our channel, watch all the videos, and only if you like it, then hit that subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. So if you want to know what are the two common mistakes done by all the beginners in intraday trading and how to overcome those, then stay tuned. So we have heard a lot about these mistakes done by the beginners, a lot of mistakes done by these traders. So we have learned a lot of mistakes, right? Most of the beginners, and when they WhatsApp me, I get to know that these are the commonly done mistakes by these beginners, which they do not understand why they do that. So therefore, I have decided to highlight these type of mistakes and the solution how to overcome these. So the mistake number one is going to be lack of knowledge. Yes, lack of knowledge is one of the main reason where all the beginners are doing a lot of mistakes. So what happens is that someone who's passing out from the college or anyone who's seeing the intraday or stock market for the first time sees certain YouTube videos or sees something in the advertisement or sees someone making money, and they soon jump into stock market without having zero knowledge. Knowledge is very important because even stock market is a profession. Just like how you want to be a doctor, you need to do a lot of studies for years. Same way how you want to be an engineer, you need to do a lot of study till so many years. Same way stock market is also a highly respected profession in this world. So it needs a lot of studies, attention and knowledge. So you need to give some time for the knowledge also. So the solution is very simple. Don't just blindly see one video or just don't read one magazine and just jump into stock market. Start doing a research, at least spend 6 months to 1 year understanding what is stock market, what are stocks and why they fluctuate, what are the different terms in stocks and how I should invest smartly. Who is that mentor I need to follow? What is the strategy I should have? So you need to spend little wise time in planning how I'm going to get that knowledge. Is it by different courses or institution or by YouTube videos or by watching anybody's channel? But end of the day, you should have proper knowledge, understanding what you're doing, and that is when you get the knowledge and that is when you can make money in stock market. So the second mistake what we do is no patience. Yes. No patience at all. If I see few questions asked by my subscribers, and mostly these students, young students who ask me is, sir, if I follow the strategy, will I make profit? Sir, if I follow the strategy, will I become rich? Sir, once I follow the strategy, can I leave my work and start doing trading full time? One more question what I remember is, sir, this strategy really works. Okay, thank you so much for the strategy, sir. Thank you so much. God bless you. After some 3-4 days or 1 week, he'll come back. Sir, yesterday and today I made loss, sir. So patience is very important. So if you see in stock market, most of the successful people are these senior citizens, right? Why are these youngsters not so successful like the senior citizens? One, maybe the experience, or one, the main reason is the patience. They have more patience and more maturity, and they can understand why they're doing and they can wait. But we youngsters, we are hot-blooded guys, so we do not wait, and there is no one, I agree that no one is there to advise us to have this patience. So we need to start developing this factor called patience. What happens is that as soon as you see 2-3 videos, as soon as you see your strategy is working out, you directly go and take some 5k, 10k, 20k, 30k, whatever money, pocket money or your salary you take and put in stock market. 1 day, 2 day you make profit, 3rd day, 4th day you make loss. Like this you'll play around. After some 15, 20 or 1 month, you lose 100% of money. Right? So this is what I will try to highlight in all of my videos, saying that guys, do not put your hard-earned money and waste. We are from the Smart Trader family, so be little smart. I know we are young. When I am also young, I'm just 25 years old. So we are still young, but we can learn a lot from different people, different senior citizens and a lot of successful people in the stock market. So what you need to do is stop putting your hard-earned money. What you need to do is observe the market. So how many of you guys observe the market? Not really. No one observe the market. You just want to put a buy and you want to sell with a profit. That's it, right? Or vice versa. That doesn't happen. That may happen for a limited time period only. So if you want to make consistent profit in stock market, the only thing which I learned this secret in this young age is that when you look at a market, if let be Smart Trader or let be any channel on YouTube or anywhere or whichever institution tells you a strategy, do not go by the face value. just because smart trader told this is the best strategy, or because so and so YouTuber told this is the best strategy, don't go by that. Even we are humans, okay? So what you need to do is, do not go by face value. Take the content what they're trying to tell. Go to the market. Everyone has the market live, right? You have an account. Open the account. Observe the market. Don't put a single rupee. Take a book and a pen, okay? Example, stock, Tata stock, okay? As per this strategy, as per his strategy, so and so strategy, buy is at this price. Okay, my target, okay, 0.3% because I'm using cover order or bracket order. This is my target. Let me observe the market. So how many of you guys do this? None of us do this. And when you try doing this, you know, you need a lot of patience to do this. But trust me, when you start doing this, you can see your own progress. You know, your mind works in a totally different way, and that is how you become a smart trader. That's the only secret what I can tell you guys. So observe the market. Tomorrow you can also explain people why that stock went up, why that stock won't go, and from now the stock will go up. Now there is a boom, now there is a down. You can also explain it. It will be like a sixth sense in the stock market. So start observing in the market. Stop putting your hard-earned money. Have some patience. Learn. Get that maturity in stock market. As in, when you get that maturity in stock market, when you see stocks, it makes wonder for you guys. So start having patience. So I would like to conclude by saying, let's work on these two mistakes. I can make a video on 5 mistakes, 10 mistakes, 100 mistakes, and what's the point? You guys will listen from here and leave it from here. Therefore, I have picked only two main mistakes done by the beginners, especially beginners, and now let's work on these two like a homework, and this is going to be a first stepping stone to success. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like button and also subscribe button, and also share this video to all your friends in WhatsApp, Facebook, everywhere. Thank you so much. And also I won't have time to check these comments, as you guys already know, as I always tell. So I don't want to waste your time, you know, I'm making you comment on this video and I don't reply to that. That's the reason most of the time I disable the video, the comments, or I don't even approve the comments. That's the main reason. So thank you so much for watching. Please do wait for my next video. Hit that subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.